Today we will replace the new 70-volt 20 amperes hour battery car. First, remove the old battery. The original electric vehicle battery is composed of 6 lead-acid batteries. It can be seen that the old battery fills up the space very much. The lead-acid battery is very heavy, and it is a bit troublesome to disassemble. Let's compare the 70-volt 20 amperes hour battery. Looking at the front, the length and height of a single battery are almost the same. 70-volt 20 amperes hour battery is slightly larger from the top. Now stick the insulating double-sided tape on the bottom of the battery. Put in the battery. Put in the waterproof foam board to fix the battery. Hearing the sound proves that the battery has been connected to the vehicle. Continue padding with waterproof foam board. Next, tighten the screws of the fixing bracket. Close the cover to complete the replacement. Now let's test the real-time data while riding on the battery.